Now, that leads me to the next topic is driving with a suspended license because that happens quite a bit. You mentioned people come to you for driving with a suspended license. What can somebody do if they get stopped, for whatever reason, tail light, whatever the case is, and they do get a ticket or in trouble for driving with a suspended license or license revoked? Let's say they didn't know about it. What could happen? What can somebody do in that scenario?
Well, as a quick aside on that, generally speaking, if it's a financial obligation or an insurance issue that's caused the license to become suspended, you may well not know. I mean, you might have gotten one of these red light tickets.
Mm-hmm.
It came to the address, you never saw it. Eventually, went into default. They put a D6 on your driver's license, and so now your license is suspended. You have no idea. Maybe you do know. You wouldn't readily admit anything to a police officer. There's a huge difference between a suspended without knowledge ticket and a criminal suspended with knowledge ticket, right? So one's an infraction and one's a criminal offense, and the only difference is the officer said, "Did you realize your license was suspended?" And you said, "Yeah, I did know that." So suddenly you went from a non-criminal simple infraction ticket to having a criminal charge. It's not so you. Again,
That's a good tip.
be careful what you say to law enforcement because you don't want to be the one to hang yourself. But either way, here in Hillsborough County, the general practice of the state attorney's office uh, is to drop those tickets if you get your license back, and also the general practice in the magistrates is to drop the tickets if you get your license back for the civil infractions. In Pinellas County, they'll amend it to a non-criminal infraction, your criminal case to a non-criminal infraction if you get your license back.